Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we show you real ways to make money online, no fluff and no scams. So, let's get into it. Today, we will be talking about skill that can make you a lot of money, and you do not have to be an expert. With the right free tools and a bit of creativity, anyone can dive into this creative world. The skill that we are featuring today is graphic design. You don't need to be a professional or have years of experience to start making money in this field. With tools like Canva, which is incredibly user-friendly and packed with templates, you can create stunning visuals in no time. Canva is designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned designers. It offers a drag-and-drop interface that makes designing a breeze. You can create business logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and ebook covers without being a professional designer. The platform provides a plethora of templates and design elements that you can customize to fit your needs. Whether you're designing for social media, marketing materials, or personal projects, Canva has got you covered. And the best part, you don't need to start from scratch. Canva's extensive library of templates means you can find a design that fits your vision and tweak it to make it your own. This saves you time and ensures your designs look professional. Graphic designers on freelance platforms are easily making $50 to $150 per project. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world who need your design skills. Whether it's a logo, a social media post, or a full branding package, there's always demand for quality design work. Do 2 to 4 small gigs a day, and you're looking at $200+ daily. The key is to build a portfolio that showcases your best work and to deliver high-quality designs consistently. Happy clients will leave positive reviews, which will attract more business. Imagine working from the comfort of your home, setting your own hours, and choosing the projects that interest you. Freelancing gives you the flexibility to balance work with other commitments, and the potential earnings can be substantial if you put in the effort. Create a free Canva or Photopea account. These tools are not only free but also powerful enough to handle a wide range of design tasks. Photopea, for instance, is a great alternative to Photoshop and works directly in your browser. Watch 2 to 3 design tutorials on YouTube. There are countless tutorials available that can teach you everything from basic design principles to advanced techniques. Investing a few hours in learning can significantly improve your skills and confidence. Set up a free profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These platforms are great for finding clients and building your reputation as a designer. Make sure your profile is complete and showcases your best work. A professional-looking profile can make a big difference in attracting clients. Start offering simple gigs like, "I'll create a logo in 24 hours. These quick turnaround projects are appealing to clients who need something done fast. As you gain experience, you can start offering more complex services and increase your rates. Pro tip: bundle your work into packages for higher rates. For example, offer a basic logo design for one price, but also offer a package that includes business cards, social media graphics, and a brand style guide. Clients often prefer packages because they get more value, and you can earn more per project. Remember, the key to success in graphic design is continuous learning and adapting to new trends. Stay updated with the latest design trends and tools, and always strive to improve your skills. The more you learn, the more valuable you become to your clients. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of graphic design today and start earning. With dedication and creativity, you can unlock your graphic design potential and make a substantial income doing something you love. Now, let's talk numbers. A beginner graphic designer can expect to earn around $20 to $50 per hour. As you gain experience and build a strong portfolio, your rates can increase to $75 or even $100 per hour. High-demand designers with specialized skills can charge upwards of $150 per hour. For example, designing a simple logo might earn you $50, but a complete branding package could bring in $500 or more. Social media graphics can range from $20 to $100 per post, depending on complexity. Ebook covers can fetch between $100 and $300. Another tip: consider offering subscription services. Clients often need ongoing design work, such as monthly social media graphics or regular updates to marketing materials. Offering a subscription can provide you with a steady income stream and build long-term client relationships. And don't forget about passive income. Create and sell design templates on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Once your templates are up, they can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. This is a great way to supplement your freelance earnings. Lastly, network with other designers and potential clients. Join online communities, attend webinars, and participate in design challenges. Networking can lead to collaborations, referrals, and new opportunities that can boost your income. So, whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or build a full-time career, graphic design offers endless possibilities. With the right approach, you can turn your creativity into a lucrative income stream. Start today and see where your design journey takes you. Now that you have an idea of what types of projects you can work on, let's dive into how to calculate your potential earnings. Understanding this can help you set realistic goals and track your progress effectively. First, let's break down the types of projects and their average rates. For simplicity, we'll use a few examples. 1. To calculate your potential earnings, you'll need to consider the following. Let's say you decide to focus on logo design and social media graphics. Here's a simple calculation. Example 1. Logo design. Number of logos per week, 5. Rate per logo, $50. Weekly earnings, 5 logos, asterisk $50 $250. Example 2. Social media graphics. Number of posts per week, 10. Rate per post, $20. Weekly earnings, 10 posts, asterisk $20 $200. Now, let's combine these. Total weekly earnings, $250, logos plus $200, social media graphics, $450. If you decide to take on more complex projects like ebook covers and branding packages, your earnings can increase significantly. Example 3, ebook covers. Number of covers per month, 3. Rate per cover, $150. Monthly earnings, 3 covers, asterisk, $150 $450. Example 4, branding packages. Number of packages per month, 2. Rate per package, $500. Monthly earnings, 2 packages, asterisk, $500 $1,000. Combining all these, your potential monthly earnings could look like this. Logo design, 20 logos, asterisk $50 $1,000. Social media graphics, 40 posts, asterisk $20 $800. Ebook covers, 3 covers, asterisk $150 $450. Branding packages, 2 packages, asterisk $500 $1,000. Total monthly earnings, $1,000, logos, plus $800, social media graphics, plus $450, ebook covers, plus $1,000, branding packages, $3,250. Remember, these are just examples. Your actual earnings will depend on your skill level, the rates you set, and the time you can dedicate to your projects. As you gain more experience and build a reputation, you can increase your rates and take on more high-paying projects. So, set your goals, track your progress, and always look for ways to improve your skills and expand your portfolio. With dedication and strategic planning, you can achieve your financial goals through graphic design. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on earning money through creative projects. See you in the next video. Now that you have a clear understanding of how to calculate your potential earnings, let's take a moment to get inspired by some real-life success stories. These graphic designers have not only achieved financial success, but have also made a significant impact in the industry. First, let's talk about Jessica Walsh. As a co-founder of the renowned design studio Sagmeister & Walsh, Jessica has worked with top-tier clients like Adobe and Levi's. Her unique style and innovative approach have earned her international recognition and lucrative projects, with some estimates suggesting she makes well over $200,000 annually. Next, we have Aaron Draplin, the founder of Draplin Design Company, known for his bold and retro-inspired designs. Aaron has collaborated with brands like Nike and Esquire. His dedication to his craft and his ability to market his unique style have reportedly brought him earnings in the 6-figure range each year. Then there's Lauren Hom, a lettering artist and designer who turned her passion into a thriving business. Lauren started with small freelance gigs and gradually built a name for herself through social media and online courses. Today, she earns a significant income not just from client work, but also from selling her own products and teaching others, making her a 7-figure entrepreneur. Finally, let's look at Chris Du, the founder of The Futur, an online education platform for creatives. Chris has not only succeeded as a designer but has also empowered thousands of others through his educational content. His multiple income streams from client work, online courses, and public speaking have made him a millionaire in the creative industry. These stories show that with talent, dedication, and smart business strategies, you too can achieve significant financial success in graphic design. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your career to the next level, let these examples inspire you to dream big and work hard. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and success stories in the world of graphic design. See you in the next video. Now that you're inspired by these incredible success stories, let's delve into some expert tips and strategies to maximize your earnings in graphic design. First, always keep learning. The design industry is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and technologies can give you a competitive edge. Invest in online courses, attend webinars, and read industry blogs to enhance your skills continuously. Second, diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on client work. Consider creating and selling digital products like templates, fonts, and design assets. You can also offer online courses, workshops, and even write ebooks to share your expertise. Third, build a strong online presence. Your portfolio is your most powerful marketing tool. Make sure it's up to date, visually appealing, and showcases your best work. Use social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Behance to connect with potential clients and grow your audience. Fourth, network and collaborate. Join design communities, attend industry events, and participate in online forums. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and referrals. Don't be afraid to reach out to other designers and professionals in the industry. Fifth, don't undervalue your work. Understand your worth and set competitive rates. Research industry standards and factor in your experience, skill level, and the value you bring to your clients. Remember, quality work deserves fair compensation. Finally, focus on client relationships. Providing excellent customer service and building strong relationships with your clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. Communicate effectively, meet deadlines, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly boost your earnings and achieve long-term success in graphic design. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay dedicated, keep honing your craft, and never stop dreaming big. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and success stories in the world of graphic design. See you in the next video. To summarize, maximizing your earnings in graphic design boils down to continuous learning, diversifying your income streams, building a strong online presence, networking, valuing your work appropriately, and nurturing client relationships. By following these expert tips, you're setting yourself up for both financial success and personal fulfillment in the ever-evolving world of graphic design. Now, it's time to take action. Whether you're a budding designer or looking to elevate your career, remember that every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Start today by setting clear objectives, investing in your skills, and putting yourself out there. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If this video has inspired you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more invaluable insights and success stories in the world of graphic design. Let's unlock your potential together. See you in the next video.